Microsoft Project is a robust project management platform built on SharePoint and Project Online, designed for organizations managing complex, enterprise-level projects. It offers a traditional, feature-rich interface with views like the task grid, Gantt chart, and portfolio-level dashboards. With advanced tools for resource capacity planning, scheduling, and reporting, Microsoft Project integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 tools like Teams, Power BI, and Outlook. The Project Desktop client, installed on your Windows PC, is where you'll manage projects day to day. To access Microsoft Project, first make sure the Microsoft Project application is installed on your desktop. Once installed, click the app icon to open it. From the home page, you can start a new project using the New option, or you can choose from a variety of templates. You can also click the Open folder to view, manage, or update existing projects. How to search for and open a project. After opening the project application, click Open. Then select where the project you are searching for is stored. This could be the project web app, OneDrive, SharePoint, or your PC. Each project displays key information, including the checked out status, checked out by, and last modified date. To quickly find the most recently updated projects, click on Last Modified to sort the list from most recent to least recent. Once you locate the project you need, click on it to select it and then click Open. Your project will now load in the Project Desktop client, ready for you to view or update. Microsoft Project offers 3 main views, all accessible through the View tab at the top of your screen. The first is the Gantt view. This shows your project timeline with tasks displayed as bars, making it easy to see start and end dates, deadlines, and dependencies at a glance. Next is the Task Usage view, which presents a detailed grid focusing on how tasks are assigned to resources over time. This view helps you monitor workload per person and balance your team's capacity effectively. Finally, the Taskboard view provides a Kanban-style layout, displaying tasks as cards organized into columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. It's a great way to visualize workflow and track progress in an agile, flexible way. To summarize, the Gantt view is to track the overall schedule and progress. The Task Usage view is to manage workloads and resources. And the Taskboard view is to visualize task status and team flow. Thank you for watching the Introduction to Microsoft Project Desktop app video from Percepta. See you next time.